If you love brown sugar creme brulee bubble tea, then this is the video to watch. Stay tuned until the end of this video clip and I'm going to show you how to make it quick and simple. For a brown sugar creme brulee bubble tea, of course, we need tea. To make this simple, I'm going to use Lipton tea, and I'm going to make a 16-ounce cup here, or just a regular cup if you're making this at home. I'm also going to use creamer, which is typical of bubble tea. So we're not using any fresh milk. It has to be a creamer, otherwise it will not taste like milk tea that you purchase in shops outside. And because this is brown sugar, we are going to use brown sugar syrup. Now this is a homemade brown sugar syrup. You can make this at home. If you haven't yet seen my video tutorial on how to make brown sugar sauce or syrup, then check out the video link above. We will also need granulated brown sugar, which we need to put on top of the drink, and that is what we are going to caramelize or to brulee. For my cream, I'm going to make this cost effective, so I'm going to mix my whipping cream with fresh milk. First, let's prepare our milk tea. For this, I'm going to use 200 ml of hot water. And into this, I am going to use an easily accessible black tea, which is Lipton, and I'm going to use 2 tea bags. You need it to be as strong as possible because you'd like the taste of the tea to come out when mixed with non-dairy creamer. Steep it for about 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes, add about 3 tablespoons of your non-dairy creamer. Combine well, and this is the milk tea that we are going to use for our brown sugar creme brulee bubble tea. Now I have my milk tea here, no sugar at all because we are going to add the brown sugar later. Next, let's make our cream. Get an ice bath, pour about 2 ounces of fresh milk, 2 ounces of whipped cream, add about 1 pump of your vanilla, and use an electric milk frother to whip the cream. Whip for about 1 minute and you should be able to get a cream foam, and we're going to use it for later. Because this is going to be a bubble tea, we also need bubbles. Brown sugar Konjac Pearls. You can also use brown sugar Tapioca Pearls. For the tools, you need a Brulee Ring and also a kitchen torch. Why do you need this? So that when you burn your sugar on top of your cup here, you don't burn the rim of your plastic cup. Okay, time to assemble our drink. Let's start with Tapioca Pearls or brown sugar pearls at the bottom of your cup. I'm being very generous here by adding 2 scoops. Next, I'm going to use a measuring cup here, which has a spout, so that I can use this to spread my brown sugar sauce along the sides of my cup. I'm going to use about 4 pumps of my brown sugar sauce. Each pump is 10 ml, so I'm going to use 4 pumps, 2, 3, and 4. For commercial purposes, I would suggest that you go about 40 to 45 ml. Brown sugar is not as sweet as regular white sugar, and you also need to get that beautiful cascading effect or tiger effect. Paint the sides of your cup with the brown sugar sauce. This process should be quick because the brown sugar will fall to the bottom of your cup quite quickly. And if that happens, all you have to do is to rotate the cup so that you get the brown sugar sauce along the sides once again. Add the ice. Okay, and then pour your milk tea into the cup. And this is where you add your cream. This is my cream foam, vanilla foam. And to sprinkle your brown sugar, I would suggest that you use a strainer. So get a strainer, get your brown sugar, and sprinkle on top of your cup, right on the cream. And I would also suggest that you have a tray so that any spilled brown sugar can be reused, so you don't really waste anything. So the more the better, so that you have a lot of caramelized brown sugar on top of your drink. Okay, there you go. I'm happy with that. And now to start the burning process. Okay, so I'll put your Brulee Ring there, and then we are going to use our kitchen torch. Make sure that you use both hands to handle the kitchen torch so that you can control, you turn it on and turn it off. And now it is smelling of caramelized brown sugar here, and it's looking absolutely delicious. Brown sugar creme brulee bubble tea by Chow. And just to show you how good that brown sugar is on top, you can crack into it using your fat straw and mix it together with your drink. And as you sip the drink, you are going to get not only the delicious pearls or boba pearls at the bottom, but also those bits of caramelized brown sugar. Absolutely tempting. And that is absolutely delicious. You can bite into the caramelized brown sugar, and the taste is not very sweet at all. The only sweetener that I used for this one is the brown sugar syrup. I didn't add any sweetener at all for my milk tea because the brown sugar and the boba will be quite sweet enough. There you go, very easy to make at home. So why waste a lot of money? Why spend a lot of money buying brown sugar creme brulee out there in the shops? You can make this at home. Save some money and make it at home. If you have any questions at all about this recipe, do let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to check out my book, All Things Milk Tea, details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again for more of these video tutorials. Take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.